Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And how are you all? I hope you and your loved ones, everyone is fine. I'm here after a little bit break or sort of, because the things are so unstable and so many things are happening. I was not getting time, or I was not getting that motivation also to come and do videos or anything. I tried to share some of the videos on Instagram, small reels, because the weather here is becoming really beautiful. That is the only good thing is happening around us right now, I feel, because it's, and a car is going on. So the weather is becoming really nice. That's why I can sit outside today. It's spring, and just like, I guess summer will start next month. So due to that, so मैं मैं सभी से बोलना चाहती हूँ, आप सब घर पे रहिए, प्लीज़ खुद का ख्याल रखिए, बिकॉज पिछले एक महीने में मैंने I lost many of my close relatives, and I can't tell you how bad that feels. So, doing this video gave me just motivations. Like, my dad was hospitalized. When he was in the hospital, he was not having COVID, but the but we saw the scenario from really close, that how difficult it is to be in the hospital and getting the bed and everything. I just don't want to be negative and going into all that, because I really want to give some positivity, or make or bring smile on anyone's face, whoever is watching this. Okay, so why I'm making this video is, as I told you, my dad was in hospital. By God's grace, touchwood, he is home now. And so when he was in hospital in last week, it was his birthday. Yesterday and today here, it's Mother's Day, and tomorrow is my mom dad's anniversary. So I thought it was breaking my heart, that I'm not with them. I want to do so many things. I want to be in such a difficult time. I want to be with them, but that is not possible. My passport is at the renewal, and the things are going like, what is happening. It's too much. So what I thought is, I thought to make something here, and we will just celebrate their anniversary virtually. As my parents are not big fan of cakes, and we are even avoiding to order food from outside. So I'm not ordering any cake or anything for them there, because I know they won't like it, and it's better, to do things at home these days, because you don't know uh, what's gonna come from where, right? And whatever is happening, it's really terrifying. So I thought to make केले के हलवे का cake, or a barfi sort of, so that we won't cut the barfi, but it is super healthy. And how this idea thought was, like, I was just like on the Instagram, I was looking at some recipes, and I saw this recipe, and I was like, this is really healthy, so it will be a good thing, just to dedicate them, and we are gonna have it later on. So I think they will like it. It's no refined flour, no sugar. As you know, I always write that, and I always try to find some recipes. So it's just that, and so I will try to make it. And in the evening, I'm trying to get them on video call. So I every day do them a video call, but today I will try to add few of our close friends and few relatives on the call, and then we all can celebrate it together. I hope that brings a smile on their face. Okay, so I have cut the bananas into uneven shapes, and almonds, pistas, and cashews, and I'm just gonna cut it. And I'm gonna make a paste of this bananas. वो तो भूल ही गई थी. So this is cut. Now about this halwa, even I have never like tasted it, so I'm just like keeping my finger crossed ki this tastes good, because I don't want to waste any food. Let's go ahead. This is like a normal one bowl of I use a small plate of wheat flour, gavasa wheat. So we have to roast it in ghee. So So this is how it's looking. So here is the final cake. This is how it looks. I have just sprayed it some dry fruits on it. And this is the cake tin which I used, and I have just, so this is pretty like this. Little bit soft. So now I will keep it in fridge for like hour or something. Then let's see if they like it on the video call, and I'll try to show some of the footage to you guys.